Welcome to 1330 Brook Street, Apartment M, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. We just walked in the front door and walked into the spacious living room with a wood-burning fireplace. Very nice balcony out here to sit out in the summertime. Very spacious. Let's go back towards the entrance, and the door at the entrance straight ahead is to the laundry area. So you've got side-by-side washer dryer. And the door just to your left is the coat closet. Around the corner is the spacious dining area and kitchen with dishwasher, fridge, stove, and exhaust. And the door at the end is the large pantry. Around the corner, we're going to go down the hall. The first door on the left is the full bath, second full bath, I should say. This one has a tub and shower. And as we continue down the hall, the door on the right is the linen closet, and we're now walking into the second bedroom. Very generous size, lots of room for queen-size bed, desk, and other accoutrements. Walking out, we pass the thermostat, central heat and central air. This is the principal bedroom. Very large, bring your king-size bed. Lots of room here. Big walk-in closet. And directly adjacent is the bathroom for the principal bedroom. So that's 1330 Brook Street. We're just off Randall Road and Main Street. Nice and convenient walking to lots of restaurants and stores. Give us a call at 773-961-7962 or visit the website 1350brook.com. Thanks. We look forward to meeting you.